let's do a what's in my bag. I'm at my layover in Paris on my way to Ibiza for Casablanca. I'm so excited. This is my baby. My baby Balenci with my little gentle monster keychain. We're off to a great start. Only the essentials here. This is actually so handy. Outside of my passport and boarding pass. My bag is pretty organized. I run a strict program here, okay? This is a very organized bag. I'm extremely type A, so another pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses count up to 2. That dent. Next is my Cutler and Gross reading glasses. Okay. Next is my Leica, my baby. Next is a Ziploc baggie of masks, because people are fucking nasty, and their wet coughs are even nastier. Next is, okay, should we go into the sub pouches now? I have this little leather pouch, and inside of it is my hand sanitizer, my other phone, my bottle of pure rubbing alcohol that I spray down surfaces with on airplanes as soon as I get on there. Next is obviously my earplugs for all the clubs and to sleep on the airplane and, all that. Next is my sunscreen. And then I just have miscellaneous. I don't have a wallet, so my credit card just floats around in there. I have this little pouch of earrings. This is actually really handy. Keep some rings in there. Keep my earrings in there. Some necklaces. It's so great for organization. And then another sunscreen. And like a little thing just in case. Okay, that's one pouch. Let me try and keep this consolidated because I am very much in public right now. Hold on. Okay, next is my second pouch. 3 pairs of glasses. 4 pairs of glasses now? 4 pairs of glasses. A pack of gum. I'm so sorry. My melatonin. 2.5 milligrams. Practically a child's dose. And is my hypochloric acid spray. Kill out the bacteria on my face. Another hand sanitizer. My little travel toothbrushes. These come in so handy. I got this from a pharmacy in France. I love it. Please, for the love of God, stay. I have no other tripod. Okay, what else is in here? I do have to take things out. Oh, another camera. This is my first baby. This is my Natura Pink. I have it in black. I have the Natura Black. I have the Natura Pink. And I'm searching for the Natura Blue. I really regret not buying it from Bellows when they had it available. Okay. I actually do have to take things out. Another pack of gum. A roll of film. Shaitan, a charger, my Dr. Idris lip balm, and my lip mask. 1, 2 lighters, an ink pen. Oh, wait, hold on, I gotta show you this. An actual ink pen. Mama loves to journal. Earmarks for when I'm reading. For all the footnotes. Highlighter, same reason. And eyelash. Eyelash spoolies. Okay. Okay, next is a third phone, in case the first two die. My lazy Sunday morning Margiela replica perfume, which is one of my favorite scents. My pencil pouch. My journal, which is practically full, and Asawi stopped making these, and I'm really sad because the spine on it is perfect. It opens so nicely. Like, I'm so mad they stopped making them now. The ones they make have such a hard, annoying spine to open. Another Dr. Idris lip balm. A pair of Shaitan and Trashy Clothing earrings. I don't know if you can see. Oh, these are really sick. I love them so much. And reading materials for the trip. Let's see what I brought this time. We are reading On Courage, which I have heard nothing but amazing things about. I'm very late on this book, so I'll let you know what I think. And Very Well magazine, quarterly, the Parkinson's edition. Time magazine's updated autism analysis. And this one is for personal reasons. I just like looking at Jalen Brunson. It's a beautiful man. Oh, yes! I thought I forgot this. I always like a bigger one so that I can decant this into my smaller one and then take the smaller one out with me. So, yes. So happy to got this. The glass is cleaner. Just in case a self-timer, like a universal self-timer, which should be in here actually. A Rogue mia.K lip liner. And that's it. Just a loose receipt. Now let's load it all back up. Hi. Oh, you like it? Oh, you're so cute.